Take a good look at that piece of paper in your pocket, because very soon, it will be nothing more than a museum piece. For thousands of years, humanity has traded with gold, silver, or paper money. All these forms of money had one thing in common. When you spent them, no one knew exactly where, when, or what you were spending it on. Cash was the last fortress of financial freedom and privacy. But behind the scenes, a quiet revolution is taking place. We are told every day that cash is unhygienic, used by criminals, or inefficient. The real reason is much darker. The system no longer just wants to own your money. It wants to control how and where your money is spent. Today on Money Secrets, we're talking about the approaching digital dictatorship, CBDCs, and how money has turned into software. By the end of this video, you will never look at your bank card the same way again. Imagine your salary hits your account, but there's a catch. You can only use this money to buy healthy foods. If you try to buy fast food, your card is declined. Or worse, the government wants to stimulate the economy and tells you, if you don't spend this money within 30 days, your balance will be reset to zero. This is called programmable money. Digital currencies, CBDCs, unlike cryptocurrencies, are designed not for freedom, but for absolute control. If a piece of software can determine the expiration date of your money, it is no longer your asset. It is merely a usage permit granted to you temporarily. When your money becomes an algorithm, your spending habits turn into a social credit score. Did you say something wrong online? Perhaps tomorrow morning you'll find your card doesn't work when you try to buy your coffee. This isn't a science fiction movie. It is a reality currently being tested in many countries, led by China. The system will not punish you directly. Instead, it will use money as a tool for discipline. You've probably heard of the carbon footprint. In the future, every purchase you make will have a carbon score. Did you eat too much meat this month? Sorry, you can't buy a plane ticket this month because you've reached your carbon quota. The greatest ally of this system is artificial intelligence. AI will analyze your spending habits to know your next move even before you do. If you're prone to stepping outside the system, your money's liquidity will be restricted. In the past, to stop someone, you had to put them in prison. In the future, simply freezing their digital wallet will be enough. There's no need for physical walls. A digital prison is far more effective. So why are the world's elites pushing this system so fast? The answer is simple. The current debt-based financial system is collapsing. Global debt has surpassed $300 trillion, and paying this debt back is mathematically impossible. This is why a great reset is required. They want to systematically tear down the old system and replace it with a new one where every move is tracked and every cent is coded. Chaos is always the fuel for radical change. Inflation, wars, and crises are used to convince the public to give up their freedom in exchange for security and convenience. They will tell people, look, this digital wallet is much safer, no more theft. But they won't tell you that the biggest thief is the system itself. So, is there a way to resist this digital siege? Should we surrender? Absolutely not. Rule number 1, financial diversification. Do not keep all your wealth within a banking system. Turn to physical assets like gold and silver and decentralized systems like Bitcoin. Rule number 2, keep using cash. Using cash is a way of telling the system, I'm still here and I don't want to be tracked. Rule number 3, knowledge is the ultimate weapon. By watching this video, you've already taken the first step. The system wants to turn you into a data set. Instead, be a human being. Question everything. Do your research and never leave the control of your money to someone else. Here at Money Secrets, we will continue to chase the truth. If you want to be a free individual, not a slave in the future financial world, stay with us on this journey. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with your loved ones. Because time is running out. See you in the next secret.